What's up guys, welcome back to another banger video. Today we're going to be diving into unleashing the power of Python's collections counter. In this tutorial we'll explore the amazing capabilities of the collections module, counter class, and see how it can supercharge your data analysis and manipulation tasks. So without further ado, let's dive right in. Let's start by importing the collections module and creating a basic counter object. In Python, the collections module provides a high-performance memory-efficient toolset for working with data collections. The counter class within this module is particularly powerful for counting and analyzing data. As you can see, the counter object automatically counts the occurrences of each element, as shown here in this console, in this input sequence. It's all being counted. It's incredibly useful for analyzing data sets and generating frequency distributions. Now that we have the basic understanding of collections counter, let's explore some of its advanced features. We can perform arithmetic operations such as addition, subtraction, and intersection. With counter objects, you can do all these things. So let's dive right into a second example. By using arithmetic operations on counter objects, we can easily combine, subtract, or find common elements across multiple counters. This functionality simplifies complex data manipulations and saves us valuable time. Another powerful feature of collections counter is the ability to find the most common elements in a sequence. Let's see this in action. Using the most common method, we can retrieve the n most common elements and their respective counts. It's extremely handy when you need to identify popular items, frequently occurring words, or other valuable insights from your data. In addition to the operations we've covered so far for offers collections counter offers a range of other useful methods such as update, elements, and subtract. Be sure to explore the official Python documentation for more details and examples. Other than that, that's it for the video. If you like this video, please comment, like, and subscribe so it gets us in the loop and helps us with the algorithm. And in turn, you'll get more awesome videos like this. But that's it for today. Peace.